welcome back to a brand new video. And this is Adira. Today I am going to share with you my class 10 CBSE mark sheet. Excited? Ha! I was very excited when I first saw my mark sheet. Actually, more than being excited, I was nervous. So before sharing my marks with you all, I'll just give you a small brief of what happened that day particularly. Don't worry, I won't take much of your time. It's just a blueprint. So what happened that day is I woke up at 5 in the morning. क्योंकि I was 99% sure that उस दिन result आएगा. But as it is CBSE, that 1% unsurety was there. So I woke up at 9 So I woke up at 5 in the morning and I checked the DigiLocker. Obviously nothing was there. So फिर मैं सो गई. And then I again woke up at 7. I checked the DigiLocker. Nothing was there. So मैं एकदम आराम से सो गई फिर से. Then suddenly my mom came and she told me कि class 12 का result निकल गया. इसका मतलब today you will also get your result. I was like, okay, no problem. I know how to be calm. I know how to be subtle. I can do it. Okay, at least I tried. That's more important. Anyways, so around 2-2:30 बजे हमारा result आया and I didn't know कि theory, practical सब अलग अलग बेसिस में आता है. I thought कि जैसे normal school में आता है ना marksheet percentage दिया हुआ होगा, the total will be calculated. So I thought like that. But वो result आया और मुझे पता नहीं था कि theory और practical अलग से आएगा. So first I am seeing कि 75, 79. मुझे लगा इतना बुरा है क्या, मतलब I knew कि 90% तक आ जाएगा. I had that confidence in me, but 75, 79, these marks I've got. Then I understood कि oh, this is out of 80 plus 20. That means I have to add plus 20. So actually मैंने reaction record नहीं किया because my reaction was oh, so like this I didn't have to give any kind of reaction. पहले मैं इतना tense हो गई कि 75, 79. Then I was like oh, okay, that's 95 and 99. All right. So that was my roller coaster of emotions. Now let me get to the main point, which is our marks. My marks. Alright. Let's start with the first one, English. So I scored 93 out of 100 in English. Alright. Second, Science. I scored 92 out of 100. I knew that I will be getting 92, so it was expected. Next. SST. I scored 96 out of 100 in SST. Next, mathematics. Oh, by the way, I took basic mathematics because in class 11, I'm taking commerce without maths. So that is why. I scored 95 out of 100 in maths. And Bengali, yeah. Bengali is my second language, by the way. I scored 99 out of 100 in Bengali. I mean, the rest of the subjects, I was expecting that, okay, above 90. But Bengali, I wasn't expecting. I mean, as it is a language-based subject, language में उतना किसी को आता नहीं है. So I was more surprised to see कि Bengali में 99. Okay, I mean, now IT, information technology, I have scored 99 in IT also. So my total percentage of my top 5 best subject is 96.4%. So when I first heard this percentage, now I was very overwhelmed with happiness and actually being honest कि अभी तक I haven't scored this much of marks in any of my examination, in any of the classes. But you know what? After getting this percentage also, I realized that this is just temporary happiness. हाँ मतलब एक हफ्ते तक सबको याद रहेगा कि oh my god कि Adira has scored 96.4 marks in a class 10 board examination. But after 2 to 3 years, no one will remember that how much did I score in my class 10 board examination. But now your question will be कि तो सब क्यों कहते हैं कि क्लास 10 में पढ़ाई करो अच्छे मार्क्स लाओ. आई थिंक अच्छे मार्क्स लाना इज नॉट द मोटिव. सब कहते हैं कि पढ़ाई करो बिकॉज दे वांट टू बिल्ड अ हैबिट इन यू, द हैबिट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. सो दिस ईयर व्हेन आई गेव द क्लास 10 एग्जामिनेशन, आई हैव गिवन माई 100%, लाइक मोर देन 100%, 110%, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई हार्ड वर्क. तो आई डोंट नो कि ये मार्क्स किसी को याद भी रहेगा या नहीं, बिकॉज मैं खुद भूल गई थी. जैसे मेरे को आज ये वीडियो बनाना है, इसीलिए आई जस्ट चेक माई मार्क्स एंड आई मेमोराइज्ड इट एंड देन आई टोल्ड इट टू यू ऑल. सी, नो वन विल रिमेम्बर द मार्क्स व्हिच यू आर गेटिंग, बट class 10th board examination has given me some good habits. I have built a habit of doing hard work. You don't feel like doing it, but you have to. That is what class 10th examination has given me. even if I'm sick, even if I don't want to, even I have to go somewhere, but I have to do it. I mean, मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि मैं 365 days I've studied. I'm not saying that, but there were days when I was in my lowest, had breakdowns, mental breakdowns. That is a part of the journey, but now I can say it's finally over. But the habits which I have gained, those are my milestones, not the marks which I've gained. That is also achievement, but temporary achievement. But the habits which I've got, the habit of hard work and consistency, I will cherish these habits throughout my lifetime. So now if you are going to give class 10th examination, then I just want to tell you ki do it. Don't wait for what your result will be, or even if अगर बुरा भी आ जाए तो that doesn't matter, because you know that you have given your 100%, and self satisfaction is the most important thing. I am self satisfied and I don't care ki what people are thinking. They're thinking good, they're thinking bad, good. I don't care, but I have given my 100% and I have scored good according to me. Oh, that was my philosophy and my mark sheet. ये वीडियो छोटा ही रहेगा. Okay, now I'll meet you in the next week. Till then, take care. Did I just forget my outro? Okay. So if you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.